In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste Gmail in Card. By the end, you'll have a clean email button on your Card site that opens a new message in the viewer's default email app, including Gmail in the browser if they're signed in. Start by heading to your Card dashboard and opening the page you want to edit in the builder. Once the editor loads, look toward the top for the plus icon. Click it to add a new element, then choose Links. This element is perfect for creating buttons or text links that point to other pages, files, or in our case, an email action. With the links element selected, a settings panel will appear on the side. In the label field, type the text you want visitors to see, like email me or contact. This is what will show up on your site, so keep it short and clear. Next, move to the URL field. Here's the key. Instead of a regular web address, you'll enter a mail to link. Type mail to, immediately followed by your email address with no spaces. This special format tells the browser to open a new email draft addressed to you. When someone clicks it, their default mail client launches, and if they use Gmail in the browser, it will open a compose window there. If you want to be extra sure Carrot accepts the link format, look for the Allowed URL Types option in the same panel. Open it, and confirm that email is enabled. This keeps your link valid and prevents accidental typos from being blocked. When everything looks good, click Done to save the element. You can position the link where you like and style it to match your page so it's easy to spot and inviting to click. A quick tip: keep the label readable and the button color high contrast for accessibility. If a click doesn't open a compose window, double check for extra spaces after mail to or in your address, and verify that email remains enabled under allowed URL types. That's it. You've added a Gmail-friendly email link in Carrot, ready for visitors to reach you with one click.